Learn how to clean your sleeping bag easily and keep it fresh for your next adventure. Step 1. Always check the care label for specific washing instructions. Step 2. Pre-treat any visible stains with a gentle stain remover. Step 3. Use a front-loading washer and mild detergent to protect the fabric. Step 4. Choose a gentle cycle with warm water for optimal cleaning. Step 5. Dry with tennis balls to maintain the insulation's loft. Step 6. Air dry completely to remove any leftover moisture. Ready for your next adventure. Your sleeping bag is clean and ready to use. Happy camping!